Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope you are all doing good. Guys, as in previous video, I promise you that I'm going to explain you an Excel sheet that I have uploaded in the link below. So this is the video in which I will try to explain you how you can use this Excel sheet. First, we see there are some options here. Here is the total cost. Here is the customer finance. Here is the bank or shop finance. Here is the return period. Here is the loan return per month. Here is the lease or rent decided. Here is the ownership transfer rate per month. Here is the initial ownership percentage between bank and buyer, and here is the product type. Okay, so here the next table you are seeing is the customer plan. It is the monthly lease plan plus loan returns paid by customer. It is a customer plan. Here you can see there are the number of months. Okay, I have chosen 12 months. From here you can also choose 42 months plan, 18 months plan, 24 months plan, or 30 months plan. Okay, here you see a column of ownership increase rate per month as a buyer, that how your ownership increase per month. Here is the rent and lease installment return, that how your rent will be decrease and increase as per your ownership. As you can see, you are 30% owner, your rent was high, and you are 36% owner, your rent is going to decrease gradually and your ownership rate increase gradually. Okay, here is the loan installment return. That is the it is actually that the amount you need to be financed by the bank, and it is divided by the period of time, and it became a constant loan installment returns. Here you can see, and here is the total return per month that you need to pay to a bank or an agency as a buyer. Okay, here I also put some option which you can use. You can check it or uncheck it if you are going to use in this these sheets in your business. Okay, here is another table. You can see here is the ownership transfer forecast for the whole return period, and here you can see the number of months and bank and shop percentage of ownership for the whole months of period, and the buyer customer percentage of ownership for the whole month of period. Here's the complete forecast for the whole return period, that how you are going, that how the ownership will be separated between you and the bank and the buyer. Okay, here you can see at the end of the 12th month you became 100% owner of your commodity. And similarly, this is the chart of the sharing of rent and lease between bank and customer. So here you also see it is the number of months, and is the bank share and is the customer share. Okay, so now another thing here is that it is defining the total profit earned. So it is the sum of all the lease value. As I told you, in Islamic finance we earn profit through lease or rent, so it is the total sum, is the total halal profit that will be earned by the financing agency. So I put here in rupees. You can also change in your currency as whatever you like. Here is the total loan return money. Here you can see that I was financed 35,000 here, so here is the 35,000, and the total amount to be paid by the customer is this. Here is the sum of all these value and these two value, and these are the same. So here is the sum of all these value become this. Okay, for the simplicity, either you see that this is the monthly return per month. You see it is gradually decreasing because your ownership rate is gradually increasing. So this is the main wisdom. For the simplicity, what I have done here, I have sum up all these value here, and I divided by the period of time. I am here is the I am choosing 12 month plan, so I have divided it by 12 and get the constant rate, that constant installment per month that buyer can pay. So it's up to you, either you can pay like this or you can pay according to this. Okay, so the next thing, that how you can use it, so it is very simple. Here you just need to put total cost. Let's see, I need to buy I'm going to buy a bike or anything, let's say bike. Okay, I select a bike product type from here, and I put it on the total cost of a bike, let's say 60,000. and customer has finance of 20,000, let's say. Okay, so I just put total cost and customer finance. The bank and shop finance will automatically calculated by the Excel sheet here, and I have chosen return period of 12 months. You can also choose it here as per your wish for 2, 18, 24, whatever you like. Here the loan return per month will automatically calculated by the Excel sheet. Okay, now the last thing you need to put here is the rent decided. Let's say you decided with your customer that the rent you are going to charge is 2,000 rupees. Okay, just put it here. So the Excel sheet will automatically calculate the initial ownership between you and buyer and the ownership transferred per month. Okay, and you will get the whole customer plan. You can see the number of month, the ownership increase rate as per your finance, the rent and lease, how your rent and lease will be returned according to your ownership percentage, and how your loan installment return you need to pay at the end of the month, and it is the total sum that buyer need to pay to the seller or the financing agency. So you can see here it is decreasing gradually. Okay, and your ownership increase gradually. Here is the total profit, and here is the profit margin that finance agency put 40,000 for the period of 12 months, and they earn 21.6% profit on their money. Here is the profit margin. Okay, here is the value that I told you before. Here is the monthly installment fix. I have divided this value by the period of time. You can pay like this or buy like this, it is same. And here you can share the whole forecast for these value of ownership forecast, and also how your rent and lease will be shared between you and the buyer. Okay, so as you can see, this is very simple. I just need to put 3 values: total cost, customer finance, rent or lease. That's it. Or I can choose product type. Okay, then everything else will automatically calculated by the Excel sheet itself, and you can choose this and you can share this plan with your customer, so they and you both know that how your financing going to work, how it is sharing between you and your customer. And the main thing is that it is completely halal. It is a very profitable thing that it is completely halal, because it is not based on the interest, or it is completely a trade which is permissible in Quran and Hadith. So this is the main wisdom. And at the end, I also created a invoice. Okay, so you can use it. I just created for the simplicity. If you want to use it, you use it. If you don't want to use it, use your own. Okay guys, I try to explain you each and everything, and if I miss something, you just need to put your comment below. I will try to explain you another time. And also, if you need any other desired plan, you just mail me and you just put your comment below. I will also made it for you. Okay guys, I hope you understand this, and thanks for watching. Share with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.